Hello, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So Diwali is coming up and all of you must be looking for sweet recipes. So I thought of doing an easy and quick sweet recipe on my channel. This is slightly different from the traditional sweets that we make. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below, so do check it out. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and also click the bell, like, share and comment. So I've got the ingredients in here. I've got some paneer which I've crumbled and kept ready. In here I've got kewda water. You can use kewda water or essence. If you're using essence, you need to use a little less amount than if you're using water. So I'm using kewda water here. I've also got some powdered sugar in here. So you can just powder the regular sugar in a mixie. So let's start making the dish. For that, into the paneer, we'll mix in the powdered sugar. We'll also add the kewda water or essence to this sugar and paneer mixture. Now we'll mix everything together nicely and form a dough. So the paneer dough is ready. Now we'll put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to set nicely. After which we'll start preparing the dish. So the paneer mixture has set in the refrigerator and it's ready to be used now. So to prepare the sweet dish, I've got some cut fruits here, which is pomegranate, pineapple, kiwi and some apple with its skin on. So I've cut them all finely. And I'm going to use this glass to set the sweet in. So you can use this glass or you can use a short glass. So let's begin assembling the sweet. So into the glass, first we'll add a bit of the paneer mixture that we have prepared. And I'm going to use this attachment which comes with a pestle and mortar to set the paneer to the bottom of the glass. So we'll use this and press it nicely. Next, let's add a layer of pomegranate seeds. Now that layer has been set in. Now we'll top it again with some paneer mixture. Again, let's press it down so that it sets nicely. Now let's add some kiwi to the next layer. The idea is to add lots of color into the sweet. That's why I'm using kiwi here. Now again, we'll add a layer of paneer. Again, press it and let it set nicely. Now let's add the next layer. This time I'm adding the apple. I've not removed the skin from the apple so that there's a bit of the red color when we see it from outside the glass. Now again, we top it with some paneer mixture. Again, I'm going to set it. Now let's add the last layer of the fruit, which is pineapple. So the layers are ready. Now you can just top it with some pomegranate seeds and kiwi just to add color to the top. So you can make multiple servings of this sweet in the same way and then chill it in the refrigerator for 1 hour before serving it. This is super easy to make and is not very sweet. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.